Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome video here today. Today we have the Northwest Airlines 757-200 here by Gemini Jets. This is actually in pristine condition. 2001 Gemini Jets released. I purchased this off eBay. You guys can see all the details on here for yourselves. Super cool. And let's get to the main event here. I do plan to get a large amount of these Boeing shoe liveries to re-show Minneapolis Airport with the Boeing livery, also with the newer NWA livery as well. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box, guys. This thing is in mint condition. You can also see the original retail here from Hobbytown, USA for $29.99 here. Super cool. I think I got this for like, I don't know how much. I think I was like $80 on eBay. But yeah, guys, you can find some good stuff on eBay, especially if you're looking for, rare models, which this one is rare. Let me just make sure I grab this nicely. Wow, literally, guys, I cannot make this up. Literally perfect condition Gemini Jet model. I think even Todd and Elliot from Gemini Jets would appreciate this. Look at that. Pristine condition, guys. Gemini Jets 2001 release. Northwest Airlines 757-200. I did fly on this in the Boeing shoe livery to Hawaii from Seattle one time when I was a lot younger. It was on the 757-300 variant, though. It was Minneapolis to Seattle, remember? I'll never forget. And then it was Seattle to Honolulu, connecting through, of course, Seattle. So back in the day, I remember doing the DC-10 from Minneapolis to Honolulu when I was younger. One time I did go through Detroit too. I was so young though, I don't remember it too much, but super cool. I did do business class though, on Northwest and first class when I was younger. So it was really a cool experience. Now I did fly in economy too, on Northwest many times too when I was younger, but definitely for the longer flights to Hawaii, we definitely saved our points or miles or whatever you like to call it at the time. Wow, great condition here. Definitely the Boeing shoe looks the best. Going to recreate this for sure, guys. And again, this is the November 548 US. It's hard to see it from here. Yep. 548 US. Awesome. I'd like to thank you guys again for joining me today, Model Airport Nation. Showing you guys ultra rare models here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. I'd like to wish you guys happy collecting. And shout out to Gemini Jets.